learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
Hey, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on Icrt FM 100.Hello,
你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, teaching you everyday practical Hakka right here. And today, let's dwell on a topic that, I don't know, I kind of enjoy this, but I don't. 其實呢，這個家事呢，我是非常有兩個感覺，你知道嗎？喜歡做，可是又不喜歡。
喜歡又不喜歡，
對，垃圾
哦，垃圾
你知道為什麼嗎？因為倒垃圾很煩，可是把垃圾拿出去，回到家之後就覺得
好乾淨
好乾淨。對啊，所以有兩個感覺。It's a mixed feeling because I want to take the trash out, I want to have my house clean, but taking that trash out is painful too. OK, 我們講一些跟垃圾有關的東西好了。
好，
垃圾 How do you say trash?
垃圾
垃圾 That's trash. So let's say when we want to take out the trash, 要倒垃圾。
倒垃圾。
倒垃圾 OK, that's taking out the trash. 有時候住在一起，大家都會今天呢，輪到我要倒垃圾了。怎麼說呢？
今本日輪到我倒垃圾。
哦，輪到我倒垃圾。倒垃圾 OK.
好，那垃圾的海陸腔又不一樣。
All right.
垃圾。
哎，這個比較懂哎哈。This is a different dialect in Hakka again about trash. It sounds very Taiwanese. 垃圾，做垃圾的啊。
對，所以就知道是垃圾。
哎 I like that. That's cute. Thank you for that. All right. 垃圾要倒垃圾的時候，為什麼？因為有垃圾車來了 ，right? Here in Taiwan, the garbage truck comes out regularly, so let's teach you how to say that. 垃圾車。
垃圾茶。
垃圾茶 Okay, that's 茶 is the vehicle. 禮拜天垃圾車不會來 Sometimes on Sundays, you don't have your garbage truck. All right, so how do you say that?
禮拜日。垃圾車唔會來。
Oh, 垃圾車唔會來 Okay, that means the garbage truck is not coming on Sunday. And finally, in your house or everywhere in the office, you have trash cans. Okay, 會有垃圾就一定會有垃圾桶。垃圾桶怎麼說？
垃圾桶。
Oh, 垃圾桶 Okay, the reason we have trash cans is so we throw trash in it, right? 所以垃圾呢一定要丟到垃圾桶，怎麼說呢？
垃圾愛fit net，垃圾桶。
哇，垃圾愛 fit net，垃圾桶。Oh, so that's how you say it. You gotta throw trash in the trash can. That's what they're for. Don't throw it on the ground, okay? Keep our community clean, and that does it for today's practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.